Hello, today I want to show you the products I received from Beebeecraft as part of their YouTube promotion program. So I'm going to show you the things that I've got from Beebeecrafts for today. Now I haven't opened the actual products. I did take them out of the bag, but as far as opening the actual packages are concerned, I haven't done that yet. But this is in a nice little container that I can keep these in, and they're pearls, and they've got, it's in a resealable bag, so I can keep the bag. So you can see they've got the ring already on them, and they're various sizes. Some have got silver, some have got gold, and they are great. Look at that, you get such an assortment of sizes. I don't know how many in the pack, but there's lots. I'd say, how many have I got there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14, 16, 18, 19. I'd say there'd have to be 100 in here. And yeah, they're great. So I plan on using these in my journal, like as dangles, just on the outside of the journal, that sort of thing. They can go on the bottom of longer dangles, you know, for your outside. They're great. They're plastic, of course. They're not actual pearls, but they're great. They are perfect, exactly what I was hoping for, to be honest. So they can go back in there. Now what else have I got here? Oh yes, these are the metal page corners, and it's probably, actually, does it say on there? It doesn't say how many in that box. So another nice little container to keep them in. And these are an assortment of corners. I reckon there's about 50 in this pack from memory. So they're all different sizes, different patterns, different styles. Look at those nice little small ones. So these will be fantastic to use in my journal. I'm actually in the process of making a journal at the moment, and this is my current journal, and I'm going to put something like that on there. That'll be great. That'll be fantastic. So very happy with those, and these smaller ones will be ideal for pockets and things inside of your journal. They're lovely. Oh, look at that one. It's a bit different, isn't it? They've got plain, they've got ornate, all sorts. There's another little one that's a bit fancy. Okay, excellent. Now, what else have we got here? We've got these, I've got these little papers. It doesn't say how many in there. But it's in a Ziploc bag, so you can keep them all together if you wish. They're single-sided, 1, 2, and you get 3 of each pattern. So these would be good for like collages, layering on your journal cards and things like that. That's a nice one, isn't it? And the bee, I like the colour of that, it's really nice. Dragonfly. Oops. That's a nice one too. Nice colour. It's a nice butterfly. It's in the same colours, isn't it, as that one there. So if you're making a set, you could use those two together. And another butterfly one. They're excellent. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to use them for my projects. Now I wanted some little seed beads. These are the beads that you put like at the end of your dangles to keep them in place so they don't fall off of your eye pin. And I've got heaps and heaps of colours there. Look at those. It's about every colour you could think of. And I reckon that they would be a mil, maybe 1 millimetre. 2 mils. 2 mils. But they are very, very handy. You can see how small it is. So they'll be coming in very handy. You could even team them with these, you know, put them on your, no, not really. And I seem to have overindulged in beads this time, but I couldn't resist these. They are so pretty. Look at that. Look at those. Look at the colours. So you can include these in your dangles. I was thinking that I could include them, like I've made a dangle here for that journal I'm working on. So you see, if I added those in amongst those, it'd be very sparkly, wouldn't they? So that's the sort of thing that I had in mind for those. You could also use these with fabric and make your dangles with your fabric and then thread these up so that the bunched up fabric holds these in place. But I love them. I just love that. The sparkle, the colour, lovely. Okay, so these are my current Beebeecraft products, and over the next month or so I will be doing some videos showing you how I'm using these. I hope you can join me when I do create those videos and see how you could use something like this. There will be links to Beebeecraft in the description box, and also this is part of their YouTube promotion. So if you have a YouTube channel and you have over 100 subscribers, there will be a link in the description box where you can join in this program. And if you join in the program, they will send you some free product and you can create videos and show people how to use the product they send you. So thank you for being here, and I hope you can join me for my next video. Bye.